30 in prison, nigga.
Man, what?
I got a homeboy now like
that. The good look on the cut, man. Oh, you talking about your felonies and shit. Y'all cut felons, baby mamas, all that.
Cut wives. That's good.
Oh, I cut your wife.
But sometimes, man, you hear these dudes about 30 something, still talking about prison like it's high school or something.
Telling you, man, look at
And
them
you know
corners.
what I'm saying? You lose hope and you be like, man, people can't change, but
Look
people
at them
change,
corners.
man.
I swear, Marlo and Avon Boxdale will fight over them corners. Y'all see that? Y'all see the...
No Beijing.
No Beijing.
Yeah, I'm charging for this advertisement too.